In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add alt text in Shopify product images. Alt text or alternative text is a brief written description of an image. It's important for accessibility because it helps screen readers describe images to visitors who can't see them. It also helps search engines understand what your images are about, which can slightly improve your SEO. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to add alt text to both your product images and to image banners in your online store theme. First, log into your Shopify admin account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From there, click on Products. This will open a list of all the products in your store. Next, choose the specific product whose image you want to add alt text to. Click on the product name to open the product editor. Inside the product editor, scroll until you see the media section, where all the product photos and other media files are displayed. Find the exact image you want to work on and click on it. This will open the image editor. On the left side of this image editor, you'll see a text box labeled for alt text. Click inside that field and type in your alt text description. Aim for a short, clear description of what's in the image, such as black cotton t-shirt on a hanger or red ceramic coffee mug on a wooden table. When you're done, click Save to apply the changes. Now, let's go over how to add alt text to an image banner on your website, which is often part of your theme's homepage or other sections. From your Shopify admin, go to your online store editor, open the theme customizer so you can see a preview of your store and the section list on the left side. In the section list, find the image banner section you want to edit and click on it. On the left-hand panel, hover over the specific image you want to update. When you hover over it, a small pencil icon should appear, indicating that you can edit this image. Click that pencil icon to open the image editor. Just like before, look to the left side of the image editor for the alt text field. Type in a clear, descriptive alt text for your banner image, then click Save. Your banner image now has proper alt text, improving both accessibility and search visibility for your store.